In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best indoor garden in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. In my opinion, Aero Garden has the most advanced technology, especially in the area of lighting and hydroponics, said Bawden Davis. The Harvest Elite can grow fresh herbs and vegetables during any season without direct sunlight and features a stainless steel base that uses a hydroponic growing system. It also has high-performance LED grow lights that automatically turn on and off via a customizable timer, according to the brand. The 6-pod herb seed kit includes thyme, curly parsley, dill, Thai basil, Genovese basil and mint, and the digital display automatically reminds you when to add water and plant food to help the herbs grow. Number 4. Even if you don't have a green thumb, you'll be able to keep an eye on your plants and ensure they thrive with this Wi-Fi connected indoor garden. The iDo 12-pod Wi-Fi hydroponic growing system makes growing plants indoors so easy, even for the novice gardener. Thanks to its user-friendly companion app, you can control all aspects of your indoor garden care in a few simple taps. Set timers for specific lighting, fan, and watering, or customize your settings by choosing the fruit, flower, or vegetable modes. The app also allows you to manually input planting days, reset the device for new plants, keep track of each plant's growth, and upload photos to your plant diary to keep a record of the entire life cycle. It has space for up to 12-pod plants to grow a generous variety of fruits, flowers, and vegetables. The 6.5-liter water tank also provides plenty of space for root development and keeps your plants fresh for 2 to 3 weeks without having to water them. Keep in mind that the plant pods of this indoor garden are a little wobbly, which means they can tip over if you let the stems become much longer than the roots. To avoid this, you'll want to make sure you stay on top of maintenance. Number 3. Experiment with different herbs in the kitchen thanks to the Rise Garden's Personal Garden and Growing Kit, which is the best indoor garden for herbs. This hydroponic device allows you to grow a variety of fresh herbs and crisp greens without the challenges of outdoor gardening. You also won't have to deal with bugs, weather, or pesticides. This indoor garden features a custom 30-watt LED light panel that mimics the sun, providing ideal levels of broad-spectrum light that most herbs need to thrive. This means your plants will get all the benefits of natural sunlight without the risk of overexposure to harsh rays. And, measuring just 18 inches in height, this indoor garden can sit right on the kitchen countertop without taking up tons of space. For those without the gift of a green thumb, this indoor garden comes with a convenient companion app that controls self-watering and light functions. When your garden needs tending, the app will let you know, so there's never any second guessing or accidental over or underwatering. The included starter kit brings everything you need for 6 weeks of garden nutrients, as well as a collection of gourmet seed pods that are a foodie's dream, including super sweet Genovese basil, common sage, forest green parsley, and Santo cilantro. You also get a salad mix 4-pack that includes bronze arrowhead lettuce, Paris Island Cost lettuce, Astro arugula, and red-streaked Mizuna mustard. Note that, due to its small size, it's not ideal for growing most vegetables. If this is your primary goal in buying an indoor system, we recommend shopping a different model on our list of the best indoor gardens. Number 2. If the image of a lush indoor garden brimming with fragrant herbs puts you in the mood to start cooking some delicious homemade meals, the Garden 3.0 hydroponic growing system might be a winner. This advanced garden system was thoughtfully designed to grow up to 30 large plants within only 2 square feet of space, while using 95% less water than other systems. Plug-and-play light bars and columns make it fairly easy to assemble, no screws, tools, or water line needed. We also love that this indoor garden system comes with a generous collection of preloaded gourmet seed pods for harvesting salad and cooking greens, including arugula, kale, Swiss chard, basil, thyme, and mint. This system can also grow vegetables like cherry tomatoes and sweet peppers. You'll be able to pair your hydroponic indoor garden with an app, which uses the system's app, which uses artificial intelligence to help you look after your garden. Since the garden has multiple sensors to monitor the temperature, humidity, and water level, it can give you personalized recommendations based on the plant's current conditions. This is a major benefit for beginner gardeners, since it eliminates guesswork when caring for your plants. Unfortunately, several of the app's features are only available through a paid subscription, so you'll want to factor in an added monthly cost to get the full experience. Number 1. Garden Bounty Basic Indoor Garden gives you everything you'd get in a traditional outdoor garden, without the need for soil or natural sunlight. This compact indoor garden allows you to grow up to 9 different herbs, vegetables, or flower varieties any time of the year inside the stainless steel planter. Each plant will be able to grow up to 24 inches tall, making it ideal for herbs and small vegetables. This indoor garden is outfitted with 30-watt LED lights to promote photosynthesis, which, according to the manufacturer, can result in rapid plant growth up to 5 times faster than traditional gardening. It also features an automatic light timer, so you don't need to remember to turn it on or off, and a large water bowl that lets you go longer between refills. The Garden Bounty Basic Indoor Garden also features a convenient high-resolution control panel that displays your plant vitals and clearly displays reminders to add water and plant food. We also appreciate the vacation mode setting that will automatically take care of your garden's upkeep whenever you are away. This miniature indoor garden even comes with a collection of gourmet herb seed pods to get you started, including basil, thyme, mint, and chives, just to name a few. Some shoppers noted that they had trouble locating replacement lights when the included LED bulbs burnt out. Since the lights will last quite a while before burning out, you'll have time to purchase a replacement part. However, at the time of publishing this article, the manufacturer only offers 20-watt replacement bulbs instead of the 30-watt kind it comes with. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.